Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market. Today we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling air conditioning tools and equipment on Amazon. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, these products are essential for keeping your air conditioning systems running smoothly. Without any delay, let's get started. Are you ready to revolutionize your auto AC service experience? Introducing the Orion MotorTech AC vacuum pump and gauge set, your ultimate ally in the world of HVAC systems. Ranked number 5 on our list, this powerhouse kit is a game changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This comprehensive set features a robust 1/4 horsepower vacuum pump, a precision-engineered 3-way manifold gauge, and an array of essential accessories. Need to tackle refrigerant evacuation, recharging, or intricate AC repairs? This kit has you covered with R134, a self-sealing and puncture-style taps, quick couplers, vacuum oil, and 3 hoses designed for maximum efficiency. Efficiency is the name of the game, and this vacuum pump delivers with a 3.5 CFM flow rate. Its all-copper motor ensures reliable performance, while the reinforced aluminum alloy casing keeps it cool and corrosion-resistant. Say goodbye to oil leaks thanks to the brass-fitted tethered safety caps. Accuracy matters. The AC manifold gauge offers real-time monitoring of your coolant's condition with an impressive +16% accuracy. The color-coded charging hoses constructed with 4 reinforced layers can withstand pressures up to 600 psi and burst pressures up to 3000 psi. That's reliability you can count on. User-friendly design? Absolutely. A built-in cooling fan keeps the system cool, while the side glass allows for easy oil level monitoring. The bottom drain valve ensures quick and hassle-free oil emptying. Plus, the kit comes with 0.26 Q2 of vacuum oil, adding to the convenience. Versatility is key. Compatible with a range of refrigerants including R134a, R12, R22, and R502, this kit is perfect for both indoor and auto HVAC systems. And when it's time to pack up, the durable case and bag keep everything organized for easy storage and transport. Elevate your AC service game with the Orion MotorTech AC vacuum pump and gauge set. Unleash the power of professional-grade tools designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. Grab yours today and experience the difference. Up next, ranking at number 4, in our countdown of the best-selling air conditioning tools and equipment on Amazon, we present the Orion MotorTech vacuum pump. This tool is an absolute must-have for any HVAC professional or enthusiast. Let's dive into what makes it so exceptional. Imagine a single-stage vacuum pump powered by a 1/4 horsepower all-copper motor, delivering an impressive 3.5 CFM flow rate. Whether you're dealing with R12, R22, R134a, R410a, or R502 refrigerants, this pump has you covered. It can draw systems down to a precise 37.5 microns or 5 pascals, ensuring quick and efficient servicing of your AC systems. Durability and safety are paramount, and this pump doesn't disappoint. Housed in a reinforced aluminum alloy casing, it efficiently disperses heat and resists corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The intake filter and trap effectively guard against impurities and oil mist, maintaining optimal performance and stability. Convenience is key. The oil reservoir comes equipped with a sight glass and scale, making oil level monitoring and refills a breeze. The non-slip handle ensures easy portability, so you can transport and store the pump with ease between jobs. Versatility is another standout feature. This vacuum pump is compatible with 1/4, 1/2, and 3/8 inches hoses, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. From automotive HVAC servicing projects to vacuum packaging, wine degassing, thermoforming, and beyond, this pump is ready for it all. The service-ready pump package includes everything you need for efficient maintenance. You'll find the necessary lubricating and absorptive oil, a pair of one-size-fits-most gloves for effortless oil refills, and Teflon tape to ensure secure sealing of threaded connections. Experience the reliability, efficiency, and versatility of the Orion MotorTech vacuum pump. It's more than just a tool. It's a game changer in the world of HVAC servicing. Equip yourself with the best and watch your projects transform with ease and precision. Grab yours today and elevate your HVAC service game to the next level. Now let's explore number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling air conditioning tools and equipment on Amazon, the R410a adapter. This ingenious adapter kit is an essential addition to any HVAC professional's toolkit, offering unmatched versatility and quality. Crafted from superior brass alloy, this air conditioner hose adapter boasts exceptional durability. It's easy to weld, highly resistant to bursting, and possesses excellent corrosion resistance and high hardness. These qualities ensure that you have a reliable, long-lasting tool at your disposal. What sets this R134a adapter apart is its specially designed valve. Featuring a unique thimble, it effectively prevents the opening of the air conditioning core tube during operation, safeguarding against any fluoride leakage. This design not only enhances safety but also ensures efficient and trouble-free usage. Versatility is at the heart of this adapter. The 5/16 inches SAE female plug and 1/4 inches SAE male plug make it ideal for most new R410, a mini-split air conditioners, HVAC systems, and other refrigeration equipment. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this adapter kit meets a wide range of needs. The kit includes 2 straight-type adapters and 2 angled adapters at 45 degrees, providing you with the flexibility to tackle various tasks with ease. These R410a adapters, featuring 5/16 inches SAE female quick couplers to 1/4 inches SAE male flare, are designed for optimal performance in diverse situations. Customer satisfaction is paramount, and with this R410a vacuum adapter, you're covered with a 12-month quality warranty and 100% customer support. Any questions or concerns? The responsive support team is ready to assist, ensuring you have a seamless experience from start to finish. Elevate your HVAC servicing with the R410a adapter. It's a blend of quality, safety, and versatility that promises to make your tasks smoother and more efficient. Get yours today and experience the difference that top-tier tools can make in your work. Are you enjoying the cool countdown of the best-selling air conditioning tools and equipment on Amazon? Well, don't be a hot mess. Chill out and hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay breezy with all our updates. Landing at number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling air conditioning tools and equipment on Amazon, we have the InterDynamics Certified AC Pro Car Air Conditioner Leak Detector Die. This product is a game changer for anyone seeking to maintain their car's air conditioning system with precision and ease. Imagine a product that contains 4 convenient 1/4 ounce applications of Universal Air Conditioning System UV leak detection dye. This little powerhouse is designed to identify leaks in your system quickly and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with R134a, R12, or R22 systems, this dye is universally compatible. It works seamlessly with all PAG, ester, and mineral-based refrigerant oils, making it a versatile tool for any technician or DIY enthusiast. Safety and standards matter, and the InterDynamics Certified AC Pro meets the rigorous SAEJ 2297 standards. This certification ensures that you're using a product that adheres to high quality and safety benchmarks. The magic lies in its ability to help locate leaks with unmatched accuracy. Simply add the dye to your system, and with the aid of a UV light, pinpoint those elusive leaks that can compromise the efficiency of your air conditioning system. Why struggle with guesswork when you can have precision? This UV leak detection dye simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. It's not just a tool, it's a reliable partner in your maintenance routine, ensuring your air conditioning system runs smoothly. Equip yourself with the InterDynamics Certified AC Pro Car Air Conditioner Leak Detector dye. It's the ultimate solution for maintaining your vehicle's AC system, ensuring it stays in top-notch condition. Get yours today and experience the ease and efficiency of pinpointing leaks with absolute precision. And now, taking the coveted top spot in our countdown of the best-selling air conditioning tools and equipment on Amazon, we have the VIVOHOME 110V 1/3 GP 4 CFM single-stage rotary vane air vacuum pump and R134a AC manifold gauge set kit. This is the ultimate tool set for any HVAC professional or DIY enthusiast looking to excel in air conditioning maintenance. First, let's talk about the heavy-duty vacuum pump. Constructed with a die-cast aluminum housing and a composite anti-slip rubber base, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and lightweight design. It's tailor-made for those who need to diagnose or recharge AC systems with precision. This powerhouse efficiently removes moisture before refilling the refrigerant, ensuring your system runs flawlessly. Portability and comfort are key. The ergonomic grip handle ensures superior comfort and easy transport. Plus, the built-in high-volume cooling fan extends the pump's usability, making it perfect for extended tasks. Keep an eye on the oil level and quality at all times with the oil sight glass, and when it's time to empty, the bottom oil drain valve makes it faster and more thorough. And yes, a bottle of 0.35 Q2 vacuum oil is included to get you started right away. Now let's delve into the Manifold gauge set. Designed to measure pressure in refrigeration equipment with utmost accuracy, this set is essential for precise readings. The included carry bag ensures convenient storage and easy transportation. Large viewing glasses on the manifolds allow for easy monitoring of refrigerant flow, while high-quality, colorful pressure gauges provide clear and accurate readings. The color-coded hoses are a game-changer. They help you easily identify the high-pressure side, red, low-pressure side, blue, and the filling hose, yellow. Made of flexible, durable rubber with a leak-proof seal design, these hoses are built to last and withstand rigorous use. This kit is perfect for maintaining R134a, R12, R22, R502, and R410a air conditioning systems, and it comes equipped with R410a fitting adapters from 1/4 inch to 5/16 inch. The package includes everything you need: one single-stage vacuum pump, one bottle of oil, one leak detector, and the complete gauge set. Whether you're working on automotive air conditioning, HVAC projects, refrigeration, or any other applications requiring a high vacuum pool from a compact pump, this kit has you covered. Experience the pinnacle of air conditioning tools with the VIVOHOME vacuum pump and Manifold gauge set. It's not just a tool set, it's your key to mastering HVAC maintenance with unmatched efficiency and precision. Elevate your work and see the difference quality makes. Grab yours today and become the pro you are meant to be. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling air conditioning tools and equipment on Amazon. To stay updated with the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.